Around the world, there is a new trend that has been taking place. Despite politicians arguing over climate change and the availability of resources, society is walking the other direction, towards green. Green has become an appealing business strategy in response to a consumer class that not only values fiscal capital, but also social and environmental capital as well. But how do we coexist between nature while also enjoying the technological luxuries of our age? Nature just so happens to have a solution. This is Odontoctinius disjunctus. Some call it the patent leather or Jerusalem beetle. We call it our guide to the home and restaurant of the future. Process begins when the beetle consumes decaying wood off the forest floor, which it then serves to the patrons of diverse and hungry bacteria living under the roof and between the walls, that is, its hard shell. Now let's picture that metaphorical roof and wall as the exterior of our restaurant, with the floor plan containing all the same elements as the beetle's gut. The first step to all this is the beetle's foregut, whose initial section contains special wood-digesting bacteria that, a lot like us people in this restaurant, chew and break down the food. After this, nitrogen, the essential component to food with its very own cycle, is brought to both sides through ubiquitous nitrifying and nitrogen-affixing bacteria. This bacteria allows us the ability to turn fish and other aquatic life, whether for food or fun, into fresh produce, just like the bacteria in the beetle provides it nitrogen from the environment around it. Final destination in the beetle is the same as ours, an anaerobic compartment with the same methane and hydrogen energy-producing bacteria utilized in our own anaerobic digester. Whether remnants of digested wood or of food and human waste, this section efficiently harvests the last little bit of energy available while producing the next step for the cycle to begin again. The solution on how to mimic this biological wonder is already being researched, designed, and tested at Rogers Community Garden, located in the southern eucalyptus grove of UCSD. This project has engaged all members of the garden to design a product that allows people to live in a sustainable harmony with nature in any urban setting by turning all forms of biowaste efficiently to liquid energy. Miss the name of the device? Biowaste efficiently turned to liquid energy. Beetle, just like the inspiration for our design. Beetle has a compartmentalized gradient of changing temperature, dissolved oxygen, and pH, home to the exact same bacteria as the patent leather beetle, made possible by microcontrollers and sensors to mimic the conditions of the beetle's gut. The final step to making any urban space an immersive and sustainable green space comes by not only creating a product that mimics the complexity of the beetle's inside, but also making that space as sleek and reliable as the beetle's outside. For that, we travel outside of the garden and academia to work with our interior designer and construction expert to create something not only functional, but also fashionable. Because we are bio, and we are here to empower the world by bringing innovations out.